lot of people have been looking for different ways to make money consistently within the forex platform. Okay, and that is the beauty of it all. If you are trading forex and you are not consistent with the profits you are making, then definitely you've not gotten it right. Okay, it's not compulsory you make a certain amount of money on daily basis. It can be more, it can be a bit lesser. Okay, so far you are making profits on daily basis, then it shows that you are consistent about it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so and of course people have been asking so many questions about this, but in this video we will be checking out how to pick up your trades and make up to $200 today. Okay, how you can make $200 and above today. So if you are into this with me, then definitely let's go straight into it right away. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and do your own personal research about it to know how it works. How you can make more profits with the same strategy, and of course you should know how it works very well. That is why you need to practice with it on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so right away. Okay, so quickly let's see how we can go into this. Okay, now first of all, if you have any question, make sure you drop your questions within the comment section. If you want to know more, okay, about this trading tool, I noticed that so many people love this particular trading tool and they are trying to have access to it. If you want this trading tool, kindly drop yes within the comment section. Just drop yes, let me know that you want this trading tool. Okay, we can come up with something for you. Okay, so kindly do that right away. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. First of all, I've always been telling you the first thing that you should look out for whenever you open up your chart is the trend of the market. What is the current trend of the market at the moment? Right now I'm using 5-minute time frame and we are on boom 1000. Okay, if you should notice, this indicator makes it very easy for us to understand the trend of the market. This has actually gotten, I've told you, the bottom part of the page of your chart page is the support zone, while the other part, the upper part of it, is the major resistance zone. Okay, so once this has gotten to the bottom part, then definitely you should know that you are already at the major support zone. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below it, there will be more support zone below it. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so at this moment this has actually got into the support zone, got there somewhere here, went back up a bit and came down again, but went back up. Okay, if you should notice, this changed into a yellow flag. Okay, this yellow flag signifies an uptrend. Okay, and it is coming from the support zone, not just an uptrend, this is coming from a major support zone. So it means that there is a change in trend around here, and this this will definitely go for long. Okay, so the buy signal is what is very, very important. You can see all the blue arrows signifying where you can come in and make more profit from here. So those that are using this trading tool will have made a lot of profit. Now let's see the current situation of the market right now. This has got into the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. So you will have to go to the higher time frame to check out the next resistance zone, because that is where we are most likely to have a CIT happen. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, but if it does not break out above this resistance zone, then it will go into a downtrend, and before it will go into a downtrend, you're going to see the trend signal, which is the red flag, and you're going to see a sell order, which is the red arrow. Okay, once these two are together, then you should know that it should start selling. Okay, so if it is selling, then definitely it should get to this region as our first TP, and of course if it breaks out from there, then this should be our second TP. Let me change the color of these. Okay, sorry about that, I just want it to be uniform. Okay, so this is going to be our second TP, and of course if it breaks out below that, then we should be looking at somewhere here as our third TP. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below that, then it should be somewhere here, guys. So we should look out for this. Let's move on, guys. We'll be checking out boom 500 right away. So this is boom 500, and I'm really happy. It's really doing well. Okay, it got to the resistance zone and gave us a downtrend, even though at this point it's had the pullback and played around there for a while, but it went back down again to get to this particular region and gave us another pullback again. Okay, so at the moment it is buying. Okay, the movement is not that smooth because it is ranging around this period. Okay, around this region. Okay, so if it was unable to break out below this support zone, so it started buying until, I mean, right now it is at this resistance zone, and of course this had been the ranging area. Okay, so if it breaks out above this, then we expect it to buy to this level. Okay, and if it breaks out above that, we expect it to get to the upper part of the resistance zone. Okay, but if it does not break out above this, it will sell and come back to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, we expect it to get to this region. Okay, let me take it to this particular spot. Okay, and if it breaks out below that, then it should get to this particular region. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so just watch out for that. If it's unable to break out from here, from this resistance zone, then it will sell and we'll be targeting this region again. Okay, so this is very, very important, so guys, take note of that. Okay, so let's check out crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This got to the resistance zone right here and it sold, and of course after getting to this support zone, it went back up. It has gotten to the same resistance zone again, and of course if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will start selling. But if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying till the next resistance zone, and you will be needing the higher time frame to check out the next resistance zone. But with the way it is going, it is most likely for it not to break out above the resistance zone, but if it does, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above that, then it will keep on selling, but you wait for the trend signals and also wait for the sell signals. Okay, so and once all these appears, then you can start selling, and of course this should be your first TP, and of course your second TP should be somewhere here. Okay, then let's see the third TP. The third TP should be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere, sorry, that's too much, somewhere here. Okay, and of course for the fourth TP, then we should target somewhere here. Okay, I think that's cool enough. Okay, so you should take note of all that. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500, and of course these are actually, it had been on uptrend for a very long time, but got to this resistance zone and was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend. It has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it will keep on selling. Okay, and we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, we expect it to keep on selling until it gets to somewhere here. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it will be getting to somewhere here, but if it does not, then it will remain that way. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can also do your analysis bit by bit until you are able to get used to the platform and make some good amount of profit for yourself. Okay, if this is reasonable enough, okay, kindly give me thumbs up up and share this video with friends and family. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.